Everybody talks about how amazing DevOps is in 2025. High salaries, huge demand, remote opportunities, but nobody tells you the truth behind the scenes. The pressure, the failures, the late night incidents, the real work that happens in companies. Today, I'm going to show you the real journey of becoming a DevOps engineer in 2025. Before we go deeper, let me tell you this. If you want real DevOps content, real incidents, real debugging, Jenkins failures, Terraform disasters, and honest guidance, hit the subscribe button right now. I upload new simulations every week, and trust me, one video can save you weeks of confusion. Alright, let's start. This is what people think DevOps is: one click CI CD, Terraform creating infrastructure magically, Docker solving everything, monitoring fixing all issues automatically. This is the fantasy version you see on social media. But the reality is completely different. DevOps is actually 80% debugging and only 20% automation. Most days involve unexpected failures, pressure, deadlines, and outages. DevOps isn't magic, it's problem solving under pressure. I once deployed the wrong Docker image to production because the tag was latest. Production broke instantly and we had to roll back manually. That day, I learned a critical rule: never use latest in production. Always tag your images properly. It was Friday night, 11:30 p.m. Everyone was relaxing and Jenkins went offline. The agent was down, logs were full of errors, disk space issues everywhere. I spent hours debugging instead of sleeping. Lesson learned: monitor your agents and never push heavy builds right before the weekend. Terraform mistakes can be extremely costly. One wrong variable destroyed the wrong resource. Terraform tracks everything inside the state file, and if that state is wrong, everything breaks. Always double check variables and protect your state file like gold. Skills that nobody teaches. These are the real skills that make you a strong DevOps engineer. Debugging under pressure, communicating clearly, writing incident reports, understanding logs, metrics, and traces, and handling tools that break randomly. These skills matter more than collecting certifications. My biggest mistakes. I made several mistakes early in my career. First, I jumped between tools too fast instead of mastering one at a time. Second, I learned too much theory but didn't focus enough on debugging skills. Third, I didn't document incidents, so I repeated the same mistakes. And lastly, I delayed building real projects because I thought I wasn't ready. These mistakes slowed my growth. Don't repeat them. This is how people actually get DevOps job today. You need just 3 to 5 solid real world projects, a working CI/CD pipeline, Terraform infrastructure, a Dockerized application, basic monitoring with logs and graphs, and the ability to clearly explain one real outage. This gets you hired, not learning 20 tools. A strong portfolio is your biggest advantage. Show a Jenkins pipeline, show Terraform infrastructure as code, Dockerized application, show Grafana dashboards, add some screenshots, code, and clean README files explaining everything. This is what companies look for. This is the only roadmap you need. Week 1 and 2 Linux and Git, 3 and 4 Docker and CI/CD, 5 and 6 Terraform, 7 and 8 Prometheus and Grafana, 9 and 10 deployment strategies, load balancing, Nginx, Docker networking, 11 and 12 real world simulations. This is practical and it works. These four traits make you a valuable DevOps engineer: analytical thinking, staying calm during outages, clear communication, and an automation mindset. These skills are more valuable than any tool or certification. DevOps isn't easy. You'll fail, you'll break things, you will learn, and you will grow. This is normal. Every strong engineer goes through this. DevOps is chaos, learning, growth, and continuous improvement. Most people never talk about the reality, but now you've seen it. Embrace this journey and improve every single day. If this video gave you the real truth about DevOps, imagine what you'll learn when you stay connected. I'm building a community of engineers who want real incidents, real debugging, real Jenkins failures, real Terraform disasters, the things nobody shows publicly. If you want to grow faster, get job ready quicker, and learn DevOps the way it's actually used in companies, subscribe right now, join this journey, become the engineer companies fight to hire. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.